Hi everyone, it's Betty.
Hi, it's Emily. So today we tried the TikTok trend where we made mini pancake cereal and they turned out so cute. So I made a cinnamon and sugar one and a matcha one, and it was actually quite difficult. What was your experience like, Betty?
Well, I made the banana one with fresh banana and then a coffee tasting one. And I agree, it was just as difficult. The TikTokers make it look so easy.
I know. I'm like, I like pancakes, I like cereal, but this was just too much work for breakfast.
Oh yeah, I totally agree. Well, if you want to see how we made it, keep watching.
You can make your pancake cereals a bit larger for a fluffier texture or smaller and thinner so they're crunchier. The only thing is to make sure there's slight bubbles at the top when you're flipping them over so they're cooked all the way through.
It's taste test time! Our favorite time. So I'm gonna try my cinnamon one first. And I already poured out my soy milk right here, and it has some blueberries as well. So the right way to eat cereal is that you scoop out some of the cereal and you have it with your soy milk separately so it doesn't get soggy. So this just kind of tastes like I'm literally just dipping pancakes into soy milk. I don't know. I kind of don't love it.
Do you taste the flavor though? The cinnamon?
Not so much. I feel like I should have put a little bit more cinnamon maybe after I made the pancakes. It just kind of tastes like regular pancakes to me.
How would you rate it out of 10?
A 4.
Okay.
It's a cute idea, but I definitely won't be making this again.
Fair. Okay, I'm gonna try the banana one. And when I was making it, I already smelled like banana bread, so I can't hate it that much. I really taste the banana bread, but like Emily said, it's like soggy bread and milk, so I would probably just eat it with some syrup drizzled over it as if it was just a pancake. But all in all, I think I would give it maybe 7 for the taste, but for like the texture and other stuff, probably a 4 as well.
And it's just not kind of worth the time that we took into making them. I feel like I'd rather just make one big pancake, and if I wanted to dip that in milk, I don't know.
I don't think anyone would, but yeah, one big pancake is the way to go.
Okay, so I'm gonna try my matcha one. So it definitely looks a little bit like someone chewed it up and spit it out.
Oh no!
But let's see how the taste is. So I'm gonna grab some of my matcha pieces. Grab some milk. So the matcha pancakes, I can actually taste matcha, and it's actually quite good. I would give it a 6 out of 10.
Okay, quite a bit better. Okay, my go for the coffee flavored one now. I'm hoping that the soy milk will pull or bring out some of the coffee flavor, so I can get some in the milk as well. Oh, it definitely tastes coffee. I tried to make this batch a bit crispier, so I did a bit higher heat with it so that you get the roasted kind of coffee flavor, and it does bring it out. So I don't know.
That sounds like it would be really good, actually.
It's not bad.
And how would you rate it?
I don't know. I feel like I have a sweet tooth regardless, so this would be a 6 if the banana one was a 7. But the texture, I feel like the texture of a more burnt and roasted, crispier flavor or texture is a bit better.
So the trick is to use a higher heat and get crispier edges.
I feel like that's definitely the case.
We hope you enjoyed trying that TikTok trend with us. Hit the like button if you want to see us try more food trends.
Make sure to subscribe to the channel and join the fam. And look forward to our next video where the title is going to be Shit Your Relatives Say During Chinese New Year's. It's going to be funny and you don't want to miss it.
And with that, we'll be
back next time. Bye guys.